This is a demonstration of how to use the Haste 1020 augmented reality app in order to place all 19 electrode locations for the EEG 1020 system. As you can see, the first thing that you're going to want to do is to 3D print the headband you can see here. It's available for download at the Haste 1020 website. I would recommend using PLA or HIPS, high impact polystyrene, for the material. One thing to note, be careful not to get too much acetone on the material as it can corrode the headband. You're also going to want to print out and glue the markers in the correct locations, as you can see here. For more details and instructions, again, go to the Haste 1020 website. Let's get started. In order to help the camera find the markers, just tap on the markers and it will focus on them. Once it's found, you'll see the yellow boxes appear. You're going to want to rotate it back and forth until two appear on screen at the same time. Then your phone will vibrate once it's ready. Then move on to the next two. Again, the phone will vibrate. We'll only be doing 3 this time, but if you want to completely recalibrate the headband, then you can tap on the 0 tear button, and that will allow you to come do all 5 again. Let's do the final 2. And now the head has been measured, and here's your mesh. You can see it's going to need to be scaled a little bit, so tap the scale button. Then use, of course, be careful to have the marker remain on the screen. Then you can use pinch gestures in order to get everything scaled appropriately. If the mesh messes up like that, you can just point the camera away and point it back, and it should reset. Now everything looks scaled, and we're ready to begin marking. So let's do the first 6. Every so often, look up from your phone and make sure that everything is good mark is being produced. Actually, make that 5. And try not to obscure the marker. Now let's rotate 90 degrees and do the next ones. And CZ is a special case here. You're going to want to do them one axis at a time. So that 90 degrees later, you can come back and do the other half. And then continue with the next 5. get the one we forgot here. And now I'll do the last side. Okay. A couple of things to note. If the person has extremely poofy hair, it may obscure the markers, and also this doesn't work extremely well under low lighting, so it will still be necessary to do this the old-fashioned way for some people, but hopefully for regular routine EEGs, this can help speed up your electrode placement. And as you can see, that's all 19 placements for the 1020 electrode system.